You're looking at a home-brewed copy of an Astroplane. I made a couple of years ago. So now it's missing the top part. This is the spacer on the lower leg, clamp to the mast, the other side, and this is the lower ring. It's made of aluminum, and the legs are about 1-inch tubes. Right. Here's the details of the feed point. So as you can see, there's an insulator there. The coax, center of the coax connects here, and the braid connects here. This is the clamp for the mast again, and this is the clamp on the other end. So the missing part is missing, right? So I will be rebuilding this homebrewed antenna project, and stay tuned for any updates when it's finished.